Is your laptop overheating like crazy? Fans spinning non-stop? CPU stuck at 100%, even when you're doing nothing? If you see system interrupts eating your CPU, or your games are lagging and stuttering badly, this video will fix it, step by step. No guessing, no downloads. Now let's start. Part 1. Check Task Manager. Why? Before we fix anything, we need to identify what's causing the high CPU usage. How to do it? Press Ctrl and Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. Sort by CPU usage. Look for processes like system interrupts, anti-malware service, etc. Part 2. Disable unnecessary background services. Why? Many third-party programs start with Windows and run silently in the background, consuming CPU even if you're not using them. How to do it? Press Win and R, type emsconfig. Go to Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, disable all unnecessary services, click Apply, restart your system. Part 2. Disable High Precision Event Timer, HP8. Why? The High Precision Event Timer is a legacy hardware timer. While it's designed to help with accurate timekeeping, how to do it? Press Windows and X, then select Device Manager, scroll down and expand System Devices. Find High Precision Event Timer. Right-click it, select Disable Device, restart your PC. Don't worry, you can re-enable it anytime if you notice any issues.